On so fast, but as far as I'm concerned, my marriage ended the day POS let Sue touch his pecker, so I'm about due. So yeah, that's it. That's the end. My divorce is in the works, and I'm moving on to start a relationship with Nina. I know in a comment response to someone, I said I'd probably not marry ever again, but that was before Nina came clean to me about how she felt towards me, and I can't deny that I feel the same. We're going to take it slow, and we're not announcing anything until the divorce with Sue is legal and official. As for Sue, I could give a flying F what happens to her. She could move POS into our old home for all I care. I'll be getting my money for the house over the course of 2021, 4 quarterly installments, and aside from the $653 I will pay out directly to her savings account monthly, I never have to see or speak to her again. To all of the words of support, encouragement, and praise, I eternally thank you all. I think I can speak for all of my viewers when I say thank you so much to OP, Kermit Defrog, for updating that epic story. That story has done so well on this channel, and I know there was a lot of comments of people wanting to know how it turned out. OP, I hope everything goes well for you in the future. I think you and Nina are going to work out just fine. To everybody watching this one right now, OP commented on the previous video, and I'm sure they're going to be here watching the comments on this one. So if you have anything you want to say, by all means, pop it into the comments here, or go to the links in the description below and comment on the original post. Thank you again to OP Kermit Defrog for posting in the Nuclear Revenge subreddit. They are linked in the description down below. Please go check them out. Check out one of these other videos, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button for more daily Reddit stories.
Hey there, Mr. Reddit here. Welcome back to another
Hello friends, and welcome back to r/Pro Revenge. Today we have 3 great new revenge stories for you. But before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a new video every single day. And our first story is, Boss Undervalues Key Employee and Plays Favorites. Made sure that was a big mistake. So I was working at a company as the marketing director. I won't say the industry because the details could connect me to this story. I worked at this company for almost 2 years. When I started, this company desperately needed help getting business, so I was hired because not only did I know marketing and have a good track record, but I also had a thorough understanding of the company's industry. Like I knew just as much about the industry as the boss did. So I get to work and do what everyone in the company viewed as magic. Drop all the BS marketing tricks that died 10 years ago. I did digital ads, print ads, graphic design, improved social media presence, video production in-house, commercials, billboards, partnered with the right vendors, improved their reputation. The list just goes on. Whatever they wanted done, I could do, and do it for a lot less very quickly. It took a little time and some major pitches to the boss to get what I needed, but all this resulted in increasing sales by 65%. Which they make about $4,500 profit per sale to add, while saving the company about $90,000 in advertising costs and driving up revenue by, say, a cool $500,000 per year, maybe more. Now, I was on salary and would get a hefty bonus when we sold a set number of units. At first, I was fine with it. I liked a challenge. I knew what I needed to get to that number, but I was stuck making that base salary, and I didn't have the resources I needed to make that bonus money, which I really needed. Then somehow I got switched to hourly instead of salary, when eventually I had to put in an extra 10 to 15 hours a week just to make a full week's pay. I ended up having some financial issues, lost my car, had to move back in with my parents, got into some debt, and ended up starting an internet business, thanks to an amazing friend, to make some passive income that gave me an extra $2,000 a month to start. That was somewhat close to my take-home pay at my day job, so I couldn't complain between the two incomes. So finally, when I got those extra tools I needed to do my job, I made those bonuses 2 months in a row. That's when I was happy and slowly started getting my finances back together. Now the boss and I were okay, kind of disconnected. He has this thing with girls,